The the main difference with GA4 and Universal Analytics 360 is that previously in Universal Analytics, you gained access to features that you didn't have in standard analytics, such as data-driven attribution. There were also explorations and other such features, funnels, custom funnels. GA4 free and GA4 360 are identical tools. You get exactly the same set of features in both. You get BigQuery streams, etc. All the things that you used to have to pay for. So it's a much better free tool as well now is GA4. The difference with 360 versus standard is scale, purely on scale. So I'm not going to run through all of these differences, but I'll just pick a couple out. So here you can see conversions. You get 30 in the standard property or 50 on 360, 100 audiences, 400 audiences, and so on. As I say, a big one actually for a lot of customers is the ability to stream data to BigQuery, which you get by default, but you only get 1 million events a day. So if you're in excess of that, then you will probably need Analytics 360 to get access to your raw event level data in BigQuery. So as I say, and then pricing does scale with volume as well. So it's much more attainable. It's a much better low-level price point, and it serves all wants and needs. Basically, it scales with usage. Does the pricing?